everybody, welcome back to my channel. After 4 weeks I've made this video because I was thinking of a snack called buns and jam, and I thought I'll make a video along the way. So before we start making the buns and jam, let's just preheat the oven. So I've taken in convection mode 180 degrees Celsius. I've taken 10 minutes. That's how much we'll preheat the oven for, guys. So let's start. Let me show you the ingredients now. 3 bowls of all-purpose flour, 1.5 spoon of baking powder and 1 bowl of milk powder and curd. I've sieved the flour and now let's mix everything together to make it a dough. So I'll add the milk powder. The and the baking powder. Give it a good mix. Add a pinch of salt and 2 spoons of sugar. Again, give it a nice stir. Okay guys, now we'll add the curd. We'll know how much to put as we mix it. I'll add more curd and make it into a chapati consistency dough and get back to you. I've kneaded it into a dough and I've rolled it, and now I'll be cutting it into 5 sections. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And now I'll just make it into a small ball. You can see my brother is also cooking. And I'm keeping. And then make the others into a small ball too. And I'll do the same for the others. Guys, I've put the 5 balls in the pan, and I've greased the pan with a bit of butter, ghee, and then we'll just paint it with the milk, with a bit of milk, so that it gets. And yeah, once you feel like you painted enough, you can stop, and now we can put it in the oven. Okay guys, I'll keep it in the preheated oven for 24 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius now. Okay. Now we just have to wait. Okay, 24 minutes are over, and by the looks of it, I think I'll put a little bit butter and keep it from 5 minutes again, because it looks like it needs more time. So we'll just put a little bit of butter now on top of it. Just for another 3-4 minutes guys, but it smells great already and I can't wait to taste it. So I'll keep it in convection mode. Let's take it out. It smells yummy. Can't wait to taste it. See over there? And now we'll keep a wet cloth on top of it so that it becomes soft. Covered it with the wet cloth. If you want it crispy, then you don't have to do this part. If you want it not too soft, not too crispy like me, you can just keep a wet cloth on top. After 5 minutes of cooling, I'll check it out guys. Let's see how it has come guys. Oh, it's nice. It smells so awesome. I want to taste it right now and I will. So, I'll take one. Don't expect it to be too soft because it was look at the sponginess. And I'll cut it and show you. See guys, I'm cutting it. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna apply some jam now. This is how Scottish people have it, okay? So you can feel like a Scottish for a day. Just decorate it with the jam for both the pieces. Okay guys, I'm tasting it now. It looks cooked on the overcooked on the outside, but it's delicious on the inside. You should cut it like this and have it with jam. I'm using Kisan fruit jam by the way, and even my brother wants to have, so I'll do some. No? Okay. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this video. So enjoy cooking. Bye. It's really good guys. See, even my brother likes it.